Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marika, and for today's video I want to do this eye makeup for you guys that features the Jaclyn Hill palette. So to start off, I'm using the shadow shield that I got from Walmart just to prevent any fallout, and it's just easy for me to clean up my eyes after, or my face after I do my eyeshadows. So I'm using the Wet n Wild primer. Of course, no surprise there, I always use it. Then go ahead and use the Jaclyn Hill's palette. I'm using the shade Silk Cream to just use the transition shade or whatever. And then I'm using Hunt's, such a beautiful color, to put on my crease as well. And then for this look, I also added another palette, which is the Double Exposure palette from Smashbox. I just wanted to use the black on this because I never really touched this palette at all. I purchased it a couple of years ago and I've only used it like maybe once or twice now, and I just don't really like it, but I just decided to just go ahead and use it. So then after that, putting the black on my crease as well because I want to try to create like a smoky blue eyeshadow look. You do have to do a lot of blending, so this is what I'm doing right now. After that, I am using this blue shade called Twerk from the Jaclyn Hill, going back to that palette. And this eyeshadow is so beautiful, I cannot believe it. It's probably one of my favorite shade from her palette. Oh, and before that, I'm using the NYX glitter primer. Sorry, I'm just trying to get ahead of myself. I don't mean to do that. Okay, so going back to this blue shade, it's just so beautiful and it's so vibrant, and I cannot believe like the payoff is just really, really good. Then I decided to go back with the black eyeshadow once again, and I'm putting this on my outer corner of my eye just to create that smoky effect. I haven't done a smoky eye in forever, so. And then after that, I decided to put this glitter eyeshadow from Wet n Wild. It kind of made my eyeshadow look a little bit muted, so I didn't really know if I really liked how I did this. I just wanted something sparkly, and I wanted to use this eyeshadow, so yeah. But anyways, whatever, I liked how it turned out. So for my lashes, I'm using this Wispy Lashes from Kara, and I did it off camera. And then for my eyebrows, I've been loving this Total Temptation eyebrow pencil from Maybelline. To prime my face, I'm using the Smashbox Primer Water, and I'm going to go ahead and use the Milani foundation, the Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Plus Concealer. And I am in the shade Sand, if you guys are wondering what color shade I'm in, and I'm using a Morphe brush to just pound this on my face. And then for the concealer, I'm using the Fit Me concealer from Maybelline, and I'm using the same brush that I use on my face. Now, I'm actually not going to bake. I know, surprisingly, right? I always bake in my videos, but today I'm not going to do that. But I'm gonna go ahead and use the NYX Mineral Powder, the Set It Don't Fret It face powder, and I'm just putting this all over my face to set my foundation and my concealer. But like I said, I'm not going to bake this time. After that, I went ahead and started going going back with my eyes again. I'm just using that black eyeshadow, And I actually just put it on my waterline just so it ties in with the whole look. I actually forgot which eyeshadow I used for the brow bone to highlight my underneath the brow bone. Pretty sure I used the Smashbox double exposure palette. And then for my waterline, I used this Bella Pierre, just a black eyeliner. I actually didn't like this eyeliner because it was a little bit too runny and it wasn't that pigmented. And then for my lower lashes, I'm using the Tarte's mascara from Tarte. And to bronze up my face, I'm just using this bronzer from Tarte as well. On this blush, I got this from BoxyCharm a couple of years ago, and I just love how this shade is because it's not too much on my face and it's just very subtle and it's just perfect for this look. And to highlight the highest points of my cheeks, I'm using the shade Prosecco Pop from Becca Cosmetics. I also got this from BoxyCharm a couple of months ago and I just love this highlighter. With the lipstick, I decided to use this liquid lipstick from ColourPop in the shade Lumiere 2, created by Kathleen Lights. I didn't want something that was way over the top, so I needed something very subtle because my eyes is already too much. So yeah, that's the shade that I wanted to use. Anyways, here's the finished look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!